Good morning, class. Today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of numbers, specifically focusing on rational numbers and decimals. Our guiding question for today is, how do you convert a rational number to a decimal? Let's get started. Firstly, let's talk about rational numbers. What are they? A rational number is any number that can be expressed as a fraction where the numerator and the denominator are both integers. And importantly, the denominator isn't zero. So 1/2 or -3/4 or even 7, because it can be represented as 7/1, are all examples of rational numbers. Next up, decimals. Decimals represent numbers using the base 10 system. This means that they show fractions or parts of numbers using powers of 10. For instance, 0.5, -0.75, and 2.1 are decimals. You've seen these often, especially in contexts like shopping or measuring lengths. Both rational numbers and decimals have some similarities. The first is they represent quantities that might not be whole. The second, they can show parts of a whole. And the third, they can be both positive or negative. But they also have differences. While rational numbers are often fractions, decimals use a point and the base 10 system. Not all decimals end or terminate. Some keep repeating. Meanwhile, rational numbers include whole numbers too. Sometimes decimals can be more intuitive because they operate within the base 10 system, which we use daily. You might wonder, where do we see these in real life? For rational numbers, think about dividing a chocolate bar amongst friends. If you share a chocolate with 3 friends, each of you gets 1/3. For decimals, let's say you're checking the weather app. It might show that there's a 0.2 or 20% chance of rain today. Let's visualize their relationship. Imagine a Venn diagram. One circle is fractions, another is decimals. Where they overlap, we have numbers that can be both, like 1/2 and its decimal form, 0.5. Now, for the meat of today's lesson, converting rational numbers to decimals. It's simple. Divide the top number, or the numerator, by the bottom number, or the denominator. Sometimes you'll use long division, and occasionally you'll notice patterns for repeating decimals. Let's quickly practice. If we take 3/4, by dividing 3 by 4, we get 0.75. Try converting 2/5 and 7/8 on your own for a moment. Don't worry, I'll wait. So, to wrap up, it's essential to understand both forms, rational numbers and decimals, as they help us better interpret and engage with the world around us. Numbers are more than just figures, they're tools, and the more ways we know how to use them, the better. Thanks for joining Mr. Burton's math class today. If you like what you saw, be sure to hit that subscribe button, which should be right down in the corner right down there, or the red button that's down below. Take care. Peace.